We need a solution for smelly and stinky urinals that waste tons of water in flushing. I know a product that is cost-effective, converts the conventional urinal into odorless and saves 1,67,900 liters of water too. It is called EcoTrapInXtra Waterless Urinal. EcoTrapInXtra Waterless Urinal has won various awards for its innovation. With two-step installation, a simple cartridge gets fit at the base of the urinal along with a jointer and a PVC drainage pipe. Then insert blue antibacterial cartridge and place sifter on it. Wow! No foul smell and it's easy to clean with fragrant microbial urinal spray. Dry urinals prevent bacteria cultivation and keep drainage pipes clean. Installation cost for 10 EcoTrapInXtra Waterless Urinal is 50% less and maintenance reduces by almost 80% each month compared to conventional urinals. Famous banks and corporates are their happy customers. So, what are you waiting for? Install the EcoTrapInXtra Waterless Urinal now and save your precious water and money.